go for KCDG095. This is a 2012 Dodge Ram Laramie Longhorn Big Ranch Edition. Got herself a 5.7 Hemi under the hood. Lots of horsepower there. Gonna be selling this as a dropout with all the belt-driven accessories, harness and ECU. Put it in your hot rod. She got a little boo-boo here in the right front corner, but it didn't hurt that sweet emblem. Look at that, it's like a belt buckle for your truck. Oh yeah, and the coolness continues on the inside, man. Look at these seats. They are gorgeous. Oh yeah. And that is real cowhide. Got a little bit of belt squeal starting underneath there. Think we use a little bit too much of that shiner stuff on the engine cover. It's all good though. In the back here, we got some nice pretty more seats, and we got a cooler down here for your Natty Light or your Bush. We got belt buckles on the back of the seats. These sure are pretty. We got a nice bedside coming down the side here with these big chrome rims.
Please hurry up, the dogs are gonna get out.
Oh yeah, another big belt buckle emblem right there. Coming down the side, it is nice and pretty. We ain't got no damage down the side. We got more of that pretty brown. This is real cowhide. Laramie Longhorn. More belt buckle big things in here in the back. Woo, doggy. Nice door panels. All this chrome and wood. Now this is real leather. That ain't real wood. We got power seats. They move forward and back and tilt. And the backs move. It's got memory and lumbar. Helps with your lower back. A real nice brown leather wrap steering wheel with some real nice stitching. Oh yeah, and look at the leather wrap knob right there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the nicest truck on the ranch, and they're heated and cooled. Will you look at that? And we got a real nice looking temperature control unit, and they call this the U-Connect. I think it's got one of them hard drives in it, and you hit buttons and things open up. Look at this. Oh, it moves. It's like a space aircraft thing. All right, and then look at this cluster. Looks like one of them shirts that those young fellers wear. What's that stuff called, Bo Cephas?
Affliction.
Affliction. It's got affliction on the speedometer cluster. And there's another belt buckle. Another belt buckle right on the Speedo.
I wouldn't mess with the guy that drove one of these.
I know, man. You got the littlest penis in the world. This truck, I mean, the biggest one. Oh yeah, that's a cool truck. 105,728 miles.
Freedom.
A freedom, that's right. Preach it, Bo Cephas.
Woo!
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hot dog.
You're gonna wake mama up.
Oh yeah. All right, let's put her in drive. This has got an 8-speed automatic, I believe.
Nope.
No?
That's a 5-speed.
It's a 5-speed? I have been corrected. It is a 5-speed. I've only been doing this for like 20 years. Sometimes I make a mistake. It's got drive. It's got reverse. It even warns me of object detection. Ooh, it's got a backup camera. I didn't even see that. The tailgate must got one of them cameras in it. All right, we can plug in things in here, like so. If you got like something fancy that you want, like a hair dryer or something, while you're going down the road, you want to blow your hair, it'd be a good place to do it. All right, and 4-wheel drive. I think that's gonna do it for this one. Let me shut her on down here. All right. Once again, this is our test video here at J&J Auto Wrecking for KCDG095. You can visit our website at jnjoh.com. call us toll free at 800-425-1555, or you can click on that link below in the description. It'll take you right to our eBay store. You just type in Longhorn Dodge Ram and bring up all the parts on this truck for sale, and we will hook you up. Thanks again for watching our video, and as always, God bless America. Good day, y'all.